niseme kwa ufupi yale ambayo yamenenwa hapa na waliosema mbele yangu, hasa Mheshimiwa Junet, ya kuwa mambo mengi yatasemwa mambo ya uchumi. But I can only assert, Your Excellency, that even those who say those many things that they are saying, there is one undisputable thing that they can't take away from you or from our country today. That indeed our economy is stable and the macroeconomy is good. And the microeconomy, Your Excellency, is rising, and people can begin to feel it in terms of the job opportunities that are coming up from that macroeconomic growth that you have set out for our country over the last 3 years. Na nimekumbuka wakati Mheshimiwa Junet na CS Murkomen wameongea, jambo ambalo spika wangu Wetangula Ushinda akiniambia mara kwa mara, ya kuwa siku moja wameamkia mzee Mwai Kibaki akiwa rais na gazeti na headline, wakiwa na wasiwasi sana, wakiwa mawaziri kadhaa, wakamwambia mzee, iko shida kubwa, hizi headline kila siku hivi kila siku hivi. Na mzee Kibaki akawaambia, akaangalia gazeti, akawaambia walete ya jana na the day before. Akawaambia hii ya juzi ilikuwa ni headline, hii ya jana ni headline, ya leo ni headline, hata kesho kutakuwa na headline. Your Excellency, ignore the naysayers. Remain focused on the transformation of our country as you have done over the last 3 years. Sababu ninapowasikiza the pessimists and the naysayers, they also can't dispute that indeed something is happening in terms of transformation of our country and the growth of our economy. What I see them now doing is to work on figures. During the State of the Nation address, the President spoke about an estimate of 60 million bags, and the economic survey is now talking about close to 44 million bags of maize production. But they do not dispute that agricultural production and the production of maize in our country, and indeed all major food crops, has grown courtesy of the policy interventions that you have put in place. Therefore, Your Excellency, do not be discouraged by the naysayers and the pessimists. Remain focused on the transformation that you set out to transform our country when you took over the reins of leadership. And those of us who are working with you in Parliament, in Cabinet, for those who are in the executive, we will continue to support you and support your government in that transformation journey of our country, because we are certain, Your Excellency, that something is happening and this country will change for the better within our lifetime, as you keep telling us. Sitaki kusema mengi zaidi ya hayo, nikubalie Mheshimiwa Rais nimjulishe DIG wetu wa police, the Deputy Inspector General DIG Langat, ambaye pia amejiunga nasi. Mheshimiwa Murkomen alisahau kumjulisha. Kwa hayo machache, nataka nichukue nafasi ya kipekee nimwalike the Prime Cabinet Secretary aseme machache kisha